Hey there, this is a video on our basic design of our multi-caliber pouches. So multi-caliber pouches, as by the name, is supposed to contain magazines for different calibers. Larger caliber, larger magazine, smaller caliber, smaller magazine. The basic shape of the main body of the pouch is designed for a 5.56 magazine because these are the most common ones. But this one can also contain large magazines. For instance, this one for an 𝗙cie_417, which is really wide. Slide it in, and just by the design of the pouch, you can see this can contain easily a super large magazine. How do we achieve that? We're using L-shaped form devices left and right. I will explain them in a second. And we have a cord wrapped around the pouch which can adjust the friction inside that pouch. Means that, like now, I have more friction applied to the rubber strap. Once I lose this cord stopper here, the rubber strap can extend more. It means that there's less friction applied onto the magazine for an easier putting it in or easier taking it out. How we achieve that? So we use plastic devices shaped in an L. Means that at the top of the magazine that goes in first, it expands to the width of the magazine at the bottom also. So it's not a U, it's a L basically, the single form devices. And how does this work in a magazine pouch body? They're at the bottom and now fixed by the rubber strap. They can adjust to the magazine left and right. So you have always the same size of the pouch and not being wide at the top and narrow at the bottom. So that's the basic secret behind our magazine pouches. Thanks for watching.